Question 3 of this exercise says, draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. So let's start with the steps of construction. Draw a circle with O as center and radius 3 cm. So we'll take the center as O and then we need to draw a circle with radius 3 cm. So we'll draw a circle like this. Now in the next step, draw a diameter of it, extend both the sides and take points P and Q on the diameter such that OP equal OQ equal 7 cm. So we'll draw OP and OQ like this and they both are 7 cm. Now in the next step, draw the perpendicular bisectors of OP and OQ to intersect OP and OQ at M and N respectively. Now I'll put the compass at P and we'll take the radius more than half of OP and we'll draw arc like this. And then we'll put the compass at O and using the same opening we'll draw another arc that intersect this arc. And the same thing we will do below the line of OP. So we'll draw two arcs that intersect like this. And the same thing we have to do with OQ. After that we need to join the point of intersections and we'll name it as M and N. Now in the next step, with M as center and OM as radius, draw a circle to cut the given circle at A and C. With N as center and ON as radius, draw a circle to cut the given circle at B and D. So we need to draw two circles like this, one with OM as radius and one with ON as radius. And we'll mark the point of intersection as A and C and B and D. Now in the next step, we just need to join PA, PC, QB and QD. So we'll draw lines to join them like this. So PA, PC and QB and QD are the required tangents from P and Q respectively. So let's do the justification of this construction. Angle PAO equal 90 degree. So if we take triangle PAO and if we use Pythagoras theorem, we'll get PA square that equal OP square minus OA square and we'll get the value of PA as square root of 40 which is same as 6.3 centimeter approximately. Similarly, we can find the length of the other tangents. Question 4 of this exercise says, draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. So let's start with the steps of construction. With O as center and 5 cm as radius, draw a circle. So we'll take the center of the circle as O. And after that we need to draw a circle of radius 5 cm like this. Now in the next step, take a point A on the circumference of the circle and join OA. So we'll take a point A on the circumference of the circle and then we need to join O and A. So we'll draw a line to join O and A like this. Now in the next step, draw AX perpendicular to OA. So we need to draw AX that is perpendicular to OA. This angle is basically 90 degree. Now in the next step, construct angle AOB equal 120 degree where B lies on the circumference. So we can draw 120 degree with the help of protractor. So we'll draw 120 degree like this and we'll mark this point as B. And this angle is 120 degree. Now in the next step we need to draw BY perpendicular to OB. So we'll draw perpendicular like this, and this is BY, and this angle is 90 degree. Now in the next step both AX and BY intersect at P. So we have got PA and PB as the required tangents inclined at 60 degree. Now let's do the justification of this construction. OAPB is a quadrilateral. So the sum of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So it is 120 plus 90 plus 90 plus angle P, that will equal to 360 degree. So I'll get angle P equals 60 degrees. Question 5 of this exercise says, draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm, and taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. So let's start with the steps of construction. Draw AB equal 8 cm. So first of all we need to draw AB that equal 8 cm. So this is A and this is B, and that equal 8 cm, and with A and B as centers, 4 cm and 3 cm as radius respectively, draw two circles. So we need to draw two circles like this. Now in the next step, draw the perpendicular bisector of AB intersecting AB at O. So we'll draw the perpendicular bisector of AB like this, and then we'll mark the point of intersection as O. Now in the next step, with O as center and OA as radius, draw a circle which intersects the two circles at P, Q, R and S. So we need to draw a circle like this with OA as radius, and we'll name this point as P, Q, R and S. Now in the next step we need to join BP, BQ, AR and AS. So we'll draw lines like this to join BP, BQ, AR and AS. So we have got BP and BQ are the tangents from B to the circle with center A. AR and AS are the tangents from A to the circle with center B. Now let's do the justification of this construction. Angle APB equal angle AQB equal 90 degree, angle in a semicircle, and AP is perpendicular to PB and AQ is perpendicular to QB. Therefore, BP and BQ are the tangents to the circle with center A. Similarly, AR and AS are the tangents to the circle with center B. Question 6 of this exercise says, let ABC be a right triangle in which AB equals 6 cm, BC equal 8 cm and angle B equal 90 degree. BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangents from A to this circle. So let's start with the steps of construction. Draw BC equal 8 cm. So we need to draw BC that equal 8 cm. So this is B and this is C, and it measure 8 cm. Now draw the perpendicular at B and cut BA equals 6 cm on it. So we need to draw perpendicular at B like this. Then we'll draw BA equals 6 cm on it. So we'll put the compass at B and we'll measure the opening as 6 cm, and we'll draw an arc like this, and we'll mark the point of intersection as A. So BA is basically 6 cm and we'll join A and C. So we have got triangle ABC. Now in the next step, we need to draw BD perpendicular to AC. So we'll draw a perpendicular to AC, that is BD. Now in the next step, since angle BDC equal 90 degree, the circle must pass through BC and D. BC must be the diameter of this circle. So take O as the midpoint of BC, and with O as center and OB as radius, draw a circle which will pass through BC and D. So we'll take the radius as OB and we'll draw a circle that passes through points B, C and D like this. Now let's move on to the next step. Draw tangents from A to the circle with center O. Join OA and draw its perpendicular bisector to intersect OA at E. So first of all we need to join OA, then we need to draw its perpendicular bisector. So we'll draw the perpendicular bisector of OA and we'll name the point of intersection as E. Now in the next step, with E as center and EA as radius, draw a circle which intersects the previous circle at B and F. So we'll take the radius as EA and we'll draw a circle like this, and this circle intersects the previous circle at F. Now in the next step, we just need to join A and F. So we have got AB and AF as the required tangents. Now let's do the justification of this construction. Angle ABO equal angle AFO equal 90 degree. So we have got AB perpendicular to OB and AF perpendicular to OF. So we have got AB and AF as the tangents from A to the circle with center O. So AB and AF are the required tangents. Question 7 of this exercise says, draw a circle with the help of a bangle, take a point outside the circle, construct the pair of tangents from this point to the circle. So let's start with the steps of construction. Draw any circle using a bangle. So let's draw any circle like that. To find its center, draw any two chords of the circle, say AB and CD. Now we need to draw any two chords of the circle like this, and we'll name it as A, B and C, D. Now in the next step, we need to draw the perpendicular bisectors of AB and CD, and they will intersect at O. So we have got O as the center of the circle. Now to draw the tangents from a point P outside the circle. Now in the next step, we need to take any point P outside the circle and we need to join O and P. And after that, we need to draw perpendicular bisector of OP. So we'll draw the perpendicular bisector like this. We'll put the compass at O and we'll take the radius more than half of OP and we'll draw an arc like this. Then we'll put the compass at P and using the same opening we'll draw another arc like this. And the same thing we'll do below the line and we'll join a line to meet this intersecting point. This line intersects OP at O dash. Now in the next step, with O dash as center and O dash as radius, draw a circle which cuts the given circle at Q and R. So we'll draw a circle with radius O dash and we'll mark the point of intersection as Q and R. Then after that we need to join PQ and PR. So we'll draw a line to join PQ and PR, and PQ and PR are the required tangents. Now let's do the justification of the construction. angle OQP equal angle ORP equal 90 degree. So OQ is perpendicular to QP and OR is perpendicular to RP. Hence PQ and PR are the tangents to the given circle.
Thank you for watching our channel. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு பக்கத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை